Shwa bangin sedang ya ke khubor, ni kerpa di pi ki Nohprah, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, baphen yo kloy ki khubor na ke jylla. Presiden ke seng sain pyrthei BJP ha ke jylla Meghalaya, Bah Earnest Mawrie haba kren sekilat pathai khubor mynne ke tarik Nohprah hajar arpuar, ula kynnoh ke Sorkar Mda ya ke bala lam khmat da ke seng NPP bakala thok bat pynthame ya paitbah ke jylla lyngba ke Pisa hajar ya ke bala sam paitbah jong konstitwensi bapher hapoh ke jylla Meghalaya. Bah Mawrie ula kynnoh ru ba katei ke Pisa Kaba ke ram ya kaba ke Sorkar Mda kala Shim na kiba Shabar India lashu sam Beain kiwei ki long yeng ha ki jaka sor.
Uski kidon ki sental lidar ki wan ngam yo man led kidon ki kam ki bangyap ya kren ni te mukro khot no u CM ka asam yang aspo asam na kram yo man aten na kaliang ni ba sembor ibodai MLA jongi ka ju ko por udai cabinet minister ila res ki ka objection ila ong ba kumno kala benlong ya ka skim la dai ka skim ka wonra na ka sorkar ka dai bendai ka skim pemena ka sorkar om dai ben pena ki nom trikam chung ka no parti.
But don't you think that the BJP should also consult with the other coalition partners and raise, an objection together against the BJP?
In the MDA meeting, the representative has come from all the party, from the UDP, HSPDP, PDF, and from others party also. It is their concern to raise this. Some of them, they have already called me and they asked me that, yes, Bah, we support your stand for this focus. They should not misuse it. They only take this thing all beyond the issues.
But we have seen the Deputy Chief Minister. He had termed your statements against the focus scheme as purely political. What do you have to say?
Then let him prove. Then let him answer that from where he got this money. You see, when you declare any scheme, now suppose if I declare one scheme, I have to indicate that this scheme has come from this department. Like here in Meghalaya, some scheme, construction of road, has been funded by the NEC. Just today also, G. Kishan Reddy, the minister of NEC, called me. He told me in Meghalaya, against from the NEC, we have already funded some road, few road, around 169.51 kilometers. And some scheme has come from the Ministry of Tribal. Like I think you are aware for the district council, before all those special scheme has been funded by the tribal affairs. But now again for this council has been funded directly from the what they call finance ministry. So they have to prove, no? It's not easy, you just give the statement in the press, then you say that, then let them give the clarification that from where that money come. As far as the knowledge, we came to know that it is a loan they have taken from some foreign investment. Let them come clear with that. Central leader to announce the candidate earlier as possible. But we are the national party. We have to follow the certain rule and guideline issue from the central office. And this time, we hope we'll declare in early because we are waiting for the Election Commission of India to declare the date for the election. After that only, we'll call the application. We cannot call before that. It is like, it is not like a regional party. They take decision only here. We are having the State Election Committee, which already approved from the center. We are having the Election Management Committee. And last, everything will go to the Central Parliamentary Committee, which headed by our Honorable Prime Minister and few cabinet ministers like Rajnath Singh, Nitin Gadkari, even Sonowalji also will be there. So it will be the final for the declaration of the candidate here in our state.